So starting the test drive in this Ranger Raptor, this truck, and I've driven a 25 model year, but this truck is just so quick. Everything about it is, it's hardcore, specifically in the sport mode. So you get the engine wanting to rev hot, transmission's very snappy, the steering feels very sporty, the suspension dampers gives you that kind of off-road oriented feel, almost like a built street truck. And this is just a very well-made pickup for the money, I think. Now, even as I put the truck back into normal mode, still has plenty of pep in its step in terms of the acceleration, the overall just exhilaration you get from this truck. Still really quick. The sport mode just kind of livens it up, gives it everything. And under light throttle, pretty quiet in the cabin. Road noise is a bit prevalent just with these tires, the lift and everything, but I mean, it's a hardcore truck, and it's what you expect from a truck. And I think it'll honestly exceed your expectations in most instances when it comes to fuel economy, when it comes to acceleration, when it comes to overall comfort. It's a pretty it's a nice truck. But I love the exhaust note here. I love that you have 4 different levels for that if you don't want to be too loud. What's crazy is the sound of the exhaust is phenomenal, but even in the Baja mode, I don't feel like it's overly loud. So I just find it interesting that you're able to have 4 different modes in terms of the exhaust note you get here. I feel like there are other cars out there that might need help with this, and they don't have these different levels of exhaust sound modification, but like, I'll put in the Baja just so you can hear it. See, it doesn't seem that loud to me. And not saying it's not a great sound, I'm just saying for when you put in this Baja mode, it says off-road use only, and you're expecting it to be something that might get you a sound ordinance ticket or something like that. But again, I don't think it's anything that the cops would be like, hey, you have a modified exhaust. It's just a clean sound. Now, I just came out of that corner with the auto stop, and the auto stop here is pretty nice so far. It's a very clean let off. It's not, you're not hearing it kind of putter up and things like that. It just cuts back on, almost like you expect a generator in a hybrid to do. So I really like that. It's a very good, clean auto stop. And I feel like most manufacturers over the years have kind of gotten that down since we first started seeing these in like 15, 16 model cars. And it almost was a putter to get the vehicle going. Now, overall drivability here, it's very simple. Being behind the wheel, it doesn't feel like, it reminds me of the F-150 Raptors. If you're used to driving an F-150, this isn't a huge learning curve. You don't feel like you're getting in a modified or souped up pickup truck that's gonna be difficult to handle. This feels just like an off-road ready, I should say an off-road oriented pickup truck, an off-road oriented Ranger, let me put it that way. And the same with the F-150 Raptor. That just feels like an off-road oriented F-150. It doesn't feel like something totally different in every good way, if that makes sense. So it still feels like an F-150 or like a Ranger behind the wheel in terms of the space, in terms of the usability, even the layout of the controls. It still drives like a Ranger. You just have a bit more power with this 3-liter twin turbo as opposed to the 2.3 turbocharged engine in the standard models. So I have it in the sport mode now. We're using the manual mode. Not gonna floor it because this only has 50 miles on it, but I am gonna give it a pull, and I do have a bit of space, so this will be a good one. Here we go. Yeah, it's exhilarating. It really is. Just a fantastic feel. And just the twin turbo V6 here is such a beast. Like right in that 4,000, 5,000 RPM range. When you start, you come out of a corner and you just nail it there. It's an incredible feeling. It really is. I'm gonna put it into the normal mode now. And I wanna give one more huge thanks to Ford Lincoln of Franklin here in Franklin, Tennessee for allowing me to review this truck today. I'll leave a link below in the description. If you're looking to find the best price on one of these closer to home, click that second link down below. It takes just a minute to fill out your information, and I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get you the best price on this or whatever new vehicle you might be interested in. But I just think for the money, I mean, it's $60,000 sticker price. Absolutely phenomenal bargain here. Again, I drove a Tacoma Trail Hunter, and that truck, it was really nice. It had the iForce Max engine, so that hybrid motor. But this here, in terms of performance, just feels so much better. You're not getting as good a fuel economy, but this feels like a borderline super truck. It feels like a Raptor. Like an F-150 Raptor. Probably feels a bit quicker to me. Now, it's not a Raptor R by any means, but it just, the feeling that you have behind this wheel while driving it is so much fun to just give it throttle, relatively practical. And it's just, if you have 60 grand for a fun pickup truck, you won't be disappointed in this thing no matter what you're coming out of. And all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2026 Ford Ranger Raptor.